There's an obvious hazard with connecting electric vehicles whose bodywork is metal and is outside, potentially in puddles of water, with the AC mains, which is effectively what all EV chargers do. A lot of chargers will remove the power to the unit if they detect any leakage of current through the vehicle body. That means that somebody is already getting an electric shock in order for them to detect that. The regulations allow that to happen, but we would much rather that our customers don't receive an electric shock at all, however brief that may be. Safety is our number one priority, and at the heart of that is the S1 chip. The S1 will independently of any software switch the system off if it detects there's a significant hazard. That's something which, as far as we're aware, no other chargers do.
Our electronics cost more than our competitors to manufacture. You know, there's more parts on there, and the parts on there just to add complexity. They are to, deliver more functionality, a higher level of safety and more intelligence. We manage on the house side the voltage, and then we manage the voltage. We measure the voltage and the current on the car side.
Our S1 chip works in hardware, and it works in millionths of a second, so it will disconnect the supply much faster than software could, even if the software could be relied upon to be running all the time.
There's a lot of complexity, in that box that makes it a better unit. We have 5 CT sensors in the box. All this stuff costs money, but it's there for a reason. It can do more, it's smarter, it's got more sensing, it can make better decisions.
The home series of chargers include an RCM, which is required to meet the regulations, but our S1 system far exceeds those regulations and makes, in our view, the charger the safest on the market.